Did you know you can prevent anyone from formatting your USB stick, even if they try? Here's how to lock it down in seconds. Press Windows R to launch the Run box, type secpol.msc and hit Enter. Now you're inside the local security policy. Go to Security Settings and expand it. Click Local Policies, and expand again. Now click Security Options. Scroll until you find Devices, allowed to format and eject removable media, double-click it. This setting controls who can format USB drives. If someone's not allowed here, Windows will straight up block them. From the drop-down menu, select Administrators. This means only users with admin privileges can format your USB. Everyone else? Instant access denied. Hit Apply OK. And that's it, your USB is now protected from accidental or unwanted formatting. Do you want more security tricks like this? Hit follow for more hidden Windows hacks.